Therefore, I say to you, whatever things you ask when you pray, kukhuluma uJesu la. Uthi believe that you receive them, and you will have them. That's Mark 11:24.
Amen. Amen.
This is a King James Version. Another King James Version, instead of it saying, then you will have them, it says you shall have it.
My God. My God.
And kusho ukuthi ayina dispute into yakhona. Makuthiwa you shall have it, it's inama guarantees on the side.
My Jesus.
It comes handy with the assurity. There is an assurance in it.
Amen.
Equation enginayo
Ish.
for abazalwane
Eh.
abase faith, a supernatural faith ministries. Nabasivakashele. Ukuthi masikhuluma ngale supernatural faith, what are we referring to? Isn't it that sikhuluma ngefaith abantu ekuthiwa bayagula ekhanda? Because of indlela ye action osukuyithatha mawunale nhlobo leyo khona.
Hey.
Baze bakuphe negama. Isn't it that? And if ukuthi kunjalo, yini engakangaka esixakayo?
Hey, Nkosi yami.
Siphethe uJesu.
Ah.
Uthi mawukhuleka kholwa ukuthi sewukwamukelisiwe uzoba nako.
Amen.
Ah, Nkosi yami.
Amen.
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 Ngimela ngizobuza umbuzo oyiwani omncane. Have you ever asked something to Jesus Christ? Nike namcela na. Mangabe uke wamcela kwenzakalani? Ngoba angeke
Inkosi.
iBhayibheli lithi angeke uhlangane noJesu
My Jesus.
and be the same person
No, no, no,
and remain the same person.
no, no, no.
Unenkinga kusemhlabeni, yes, we understand. Uke wamcela na? Uke weza kuye wahlala phansi, wabeka isitulo la, wahlala, wabeka esinye la. Wathi Jesu awusondele.
Ah, baba.
Awusondele lana ngifuna uku-address. Kunezinto engingasazi understand la.
My
Kuthiwa
Father.
ngikholwa kuwe mara
Ay.
baphuma la ngaphandle bayangisho.
Hey, Jesus.
Ngoba the first thing that they are going to say about you ukuthi wayeloku ehlenyuka athi uJesu kuphi lo Jesu wakhe. That's what is going to happen out there.